Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Arlo Solar Panel Charger, released in 2021, a certified accessory designed to keep your Arlo cameras powered using direct sunlight. This solar panel works with a variety of models including the Arlo Pro 5S2K, Pro 4, Pro 3, Floodlight, Ultra 2, and Ultra cameras, ensuring consistent battery life in all conditions. It features a weather-resistant design that can withstand the elements while providing reliable power outdoors. Installation is simple thanks to the adjustable mount and the included 8-foot magnetic power cable that makes setup hassle-free. As an official Arlo accessory, it guarantees seamless compatibility and performance with your security system. If you're looking to maintain your camera's battery without the hassle of frequent charging, this solar panel is a smart, eco-friendly solution. Remember, for the essential camera solar panel, check model number VM3601000S. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.